There's been several questions about how to test the clutch interlock. Once you install the Illuminated hand switches, the last instruction calls for you to test the clutch interlock. What the clutch interlock does, it prevents the bike from starting when the bike is in gear and the clutch is not pulled in. Clutch lever is not pulled in. So basically, if you left the bike in any gear and you accidentally hit the starter should not energize. So there's a center jack. I have the bike jacked up. This is from Amazon. Basically, you rotate this crank and it lifts the platform up, raising the bike. You can see that it rotates free, so it's off the ground. Okay, now I have the bike in gear, so we're in first gear. The clutch is out, the rear wheel is lifted. Turn on the ignition, and we're going to try to start the bike. Now the bike should not start, the starter should not engage. I hit it right now. Yeah, nothing. Nothing's happening because the clutch interlock is activated. However, if I pull in the clutch, the bike will start.